What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see by the title, we back with the sneaker reviews. And what else to talk about than a Kyrie, bruh. The Kyrie 7 All-Star, super fire shoe. And we're gonna go ahead and get into it. If you guys like what you see, make sure you smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe if this happens to be your first time here or you're not subscribed already. I don't know what you're doing. Hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit the like button, and without further ado, let's get into these shoes, you dig? Alright, so I'm excited to have this shoe. This was a Kyrie that I definitely was looking forward to. There are a few that are out there that I like, which are mainly from the preheat pack. But once this All-Star became available, I was excited that I was able to find them. Because, you know, 13 and 14s be kind of scarce because of the sizing of the Kyries. You always have to go up or down a size. So my size 13 is usually not available. But at this point, they were. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into them. The color code is atomic orange and black. Now, this shoe is really, really dope, and it stands out. As you guys can see over my right shoulder to the left of you. Give me your thoughts and opinions about this. I mean, there's nothing too special about the box. No special packaging. It still has the same box that we got from the regular Kyrie 7, which is nothing wrong with that. We don't wear the box anyway, but some people do collect them. To each his own. Fire shoe, bro. As soon as you take off the wrapping, these things are ridiculous. And I need to know what you guys think about these. Honest opinions from a 1 to 10 scale. I don't know what you can say about it besides fire. But, you know, everybody's taste is definitely different. You know what I mean? Not everybody's going to like the same thing. But I think this shoe is definitely off the scale. One of the better ones they came with so far as the colorways. And what's dope is with Nike and the All-Star weekend releases, they were all based off sustainability. And the Kyrie one was about the sustainability of plants, as you guys will see in the display of the shoe with the details that we will show in the up close and personal visuals. But I think that is a dope situation. But let me go ahead and dive into the shoe about what I like about it overall. I love the color. I think the color combination, color blocking is nice. Really, really dope actually. And they added a lot of dope details to it, as Kyries usually do, with the back panel having suede to it, which I think, from what I know, is the only shoe thus far that has a suede panel on the back. I don't have all of the shoes from Kyrie 7s, but I do not remember any other one having a suede back here, which I think is a very dope detail. Kind of adds a little bit more luxury to the shoe, if you will, or more value. It has this Kyrie stitching on the back, the Kyrie logo with a sprouting flower or plant, because these are based on, you know, the sustainability of plants. I like how they came out with that idea. He's on a plant-based diet, so it kind of goes with his lifestyle. He's very good at putting his life or things that mean something important to him into the things that he wears on his feet, which is a very dope detail, as a lot of these athletes do. But I feel like Kyrie and Nike really hit it on the head with putting some of that extra detail into the shoe. Now, when I first saw images of these on the internet, I was told, or I saw that these were grade school colorway and there was going to be a different one for adults. But fortunately, or unfortunately, this is what it is. I love to see them create different things, so I was just curious to see what another Kyrie All-Star would look like. But this is fire. If I had to give it from a scale to 1 to 10, I'm honestly giving this a 10. This is off the scale. No need for a lace swap. Has different color lacing here, which actually matches the upper. And like I said before in a previous live stream, shout out to everybody who comes through the live streams. I love how they gave the Kyrie 7 the ability to have kind of two different designs going on the upper. And what I mean by that is they have the mesh, but then under the mesh you have a design, and the mesh is a different color from the design that's underneath, so it just gives it a whole different flavor, and not many shoes do that, you know what I mean? This has that atomic orange overlayer of the mesh, but then you have plants all under it. Go with the whole plant-based sustainability of plants. You got it all around the shoe with the atomic orange mesh. Then you have like this grime looking material. I don't know if it's officially grime, and what grime is, it's the Nike old materials and old shoes that they put together and grinded together to make another type of material, which this is looking like. You might see, you know, you will remember it most probably on the Space Hippies, but I'm not sure if this is actually that material. But it is pretty dope. It looks very much similar to it. Gives it also like a cement feel. You'll see that here where the laces go, as well as the Nike swoosh. Then you have like that teal or turquoise outsole, which is very, very dope, along with that salmon pink right here where the Zoom Turbo is. Of course, Kyrie's have Zoom Turbo, one of the only shoes out there with it. Very, very dope shoe. And you know, I haven't tried these on the court because I haven't hooped in a very long time. but I've been told by people who have actually worn them that they are really good, especially for the price point. Now this one is $140, but I think they normally retail at $130, or they could all be $140 right now. That box is, I don't want to turn the whole box around, between $130 to $140, but I think they're fairly, you know, by far worth it. One of the cheapest shoes for what you get on the market. Like I said, 10 out of 10. Give me your thoughts and opinions on these. Of course, we will get to some up close and personal visuals, as you guys have been seeing during the B-roll, and some on feet, bro. We're gonna try these things on. I'm very excited to have these in my collection. If you guys want to go after them, should be available on Nike.com. A lot of dope details on the shoe, man. I'm noticing some stuff here on the midsole. It's like an eyelid with some stuff going on. It's a lot of great details, which you guys will see in the B-roll. Kyrie, they are always very, very creative with their sneakers, man. They never seem to let us down. So on the left shoe, you have the like a basketball emblem with the All-Star Weekend in there, and on the right shoe, you have the Kyrie logo, which is, you know, the Kyrie logo that we all know and love. Both heels have the same design on the back, the Kyrie with the sprouting plant, which is dope. And I like the detailing on the tongue. It matches with this grime material, or the grime looking material on the tongue, which gives it a whole different vibe. Kyrie's shoes definitely stood out. This by far to me was probably the best one out of the All-Star Weekend collections. Let me know what you guys think in the order of the All-Star collection. We have the Zoom Freaks, the Kyrie 7, the LeBron 18, the KD 13s, and the PG 5. Now, if I had to put them in order, I would honestly go Kyrie number 1, the Zoom Freaks number 2, KD's number 3, LeBron's number 4, and the PG's is number 5. That's just my order. Let me know what yours is in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get to that on feet and visuals, you dig? Thanks for watching. Hit that like button on the video. It helps out a lot, you dig? Peace.
Perfect. Perfect.